Want to learn how to archive and unarchive messages in the Facebook Messenger app? Archiving helps keep your inbox organized by cleaning up your chat lists, while unarchiving allows you to bring conversations back to your main inbox whenever you need to respond to them. Now, let's learn all about this method. First, open Messenger, scroll through your chats to find the conversation you want to archive. Tap on Hold on their profile. Now you will see the archive option. Tap on it. Now the chat is archived for you and won't appear on your normal feeds. To unarchive the chats, tap on the three-line icon on the top of your Messenger menu. Then select Archive. You will see the chat you have archived over here. Just press and hold on that chat and tap Unarchive. Go back to your chats menu and you will find that chat right on your inbox. And that's how easy it is to archive and unarchive chats on your Messenger app on Android. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give it a like and share any of your thoughts in the comments below. Let's catch up soon.